Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and you may have seen Justin SVT's 10th anniversary Cobra, and we just finished putting the TVS 2.65 liter on it. And so I have full install videos on this, and I'll put the link to those in the video description if you're interested in watching them. And everything went really well. He took it down and had it dynoed. You can check out his channel. He has a lot of videos on it, and it put down 653 to the tire on 91 octane, so very stout. So we went ahead and filled it up with a fresh tank of 91 clear with no ethanol, and then put some VP additive in it and had some nice pulls. Beautiful day to be driving around as well, by the way. Okay.
I want to record how good that sounds inside. It's so loud.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and record it here too.
So hopefully you enjoyed that. I'll put a video in the description as well that shows my yellow Cobra ripping through the same area and what it sounds like with the Whipple on it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.